Hello, I'm Inash Ravinsky and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air. We've got you covered. Now, the Russian army last night attacked the Kiev region with combat drones for the second time in as many days. 2 people were wounded and 2 homes were damaged in the regions surrounding the capital. There were no direct hits to residential or critical infrastructure, however. The Ukrainian Air Force said it had shot down all 7 drones used in the attack. Russia also launched ballistic missiles at the northeastern region of Kharkiv, injuring 1 person. On the front line, Russian forces marginally advanced near Vovchansk and seized 2 hills near Liptsi. Russian forces also continued ground attacks near Khlyboke and other settlements in the area. Meanwhile, Russian troops have made marginal gains in eastern Chasiv Yar amid continued offensive operations in the area, crossing the Siversky Donetsk-Donbass canal. Russian so-called military bloggers claimed that Russian forces advanced up to 1 kilometer near Zalizhne and Pivdennye near Toretsk. Western F-16 fighters have appeared in Ukrainian skies. That's according to major Western media outlets and statements by some Western politicians. These reports, which emerged on the 31st of July, suggest a possible first deployment of the aircraft in the region. Ukrainian officials have not officially confirmed the arrival of the jets, however. This development could mark a significant enhancement of Ukraine's air defense capabilities, pending, of course, official confirmation. Between 450 and several thousand volunteers from Belarus are actively engaged in combat on the Ukrainian soil. These fighters have been repeatedly recognized for their bravery, with some receiving the highest distinction, the title of Hero of Ukraine. In addition to that, in a few cities, streets have also been named in their honor to commemorate their contributions. Belarusian soldiers from the Kryotsu tactical group recently demonstrated their combat skills and strategic acumen. They successfully tracked an enemy group, coordinated an attack, and with a single precise shot, destroyed a mortar position. This action underscores the significant role that these volunteers play in the ongoing conflict, blending courage with tactical expertise to achieve critical on-ground objectives. A rare video from the front lines near Bakhmut provides a first-person perspective of a Ukrainian soldier in action. In this footage, Ukrainian military personnel make a clever use of a Steam Deck gaming console to control a turret. This innovative adaptation illustrates the resourcefulness of Ukrainian forces under challenging conditions. The video also captures the moment when Ukrainian defenders counter an enemy drone using a double-barreled shotgun, demonstrating their adaptability and the willingness to use rather unconventional methods to defend against various threats.
Зразу отдача йде, там той пулемет.
Ответочка пошла, да? Давай повоюем, демон. Давай. туда отойду. Да. Ну так, чуть-чуть перелет, конечно. Сука, далеко. Сука, ружбайку надо заряжать. Где летать?
Залети.
О!
Тихо, секунду.
Ты хочешь пулеметом еще? Давай дуплета.
And you know, when you saw the two words Steam Deck and double-barreled shotgun in the description, you probably thought this was going to be a Doom Eternal gameplay video. But still, we got something even more glorious than that. Also, this answers the question, does the Ukraine war run on Steam Deck? By the way, watch out for these Russian players, they are notorious for cheating in video games. And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Please stay with us here on TVP World for more latest news and updates.